Hi everyone, and welcome to another session with Accelerate. So today on Excel with Accelerate, we will be looking at how to use the left function. Okay, so here we have a bit of data from movie titles and the color that the movies were shot in. So Over the Hill to the Poorhouse was shot in black and white. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs was shot in color. But we just want to extract a few letters from the title and also from the color. So the left function helps us in extracting text. So the left function helps us extract some characters, or a specific number of characters from a particular text string. So the text string we're going to be looking at are those in the title column and those in the color slash black and white column. Okay. Left says pick a particular number of characters from the left. Okay. There's right and there's mid. We'll do those in separate videos. So let's say I just want to pick Over the Hill, only Over the Hill from title. I don't want To the Poorhouse. I don't want any of that. I just want Over the Hill. Now we need to understand that spaces are characters in Excel, which means that this space between R and T is regarded as a character, and the space between E and H is regarded as a character. So if I want to take Over the Hill, to my left I can count. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, 10 11 12 13. So we would pick 13 characters from the left, okay, for from cell B6. So to get only Over the Hill, I will say equal to, okay, equal or plus, anyone works. Left, okay, text is the text I want, comma, number of characters. Remember we counted 13 characters to get Over the Hill. So I hit 13, okay, I close my bracket, hit enter, and voila, we have Over the Hill. Okay, now we've gotten this, but I need us to get clarity on how this works better. So if I just want to get metro, right, instead of the entire metropolis, all I just need to do is to say left from metropolis, give me metro, which is 5 characters. So then I say equal to left, right, from metropolis, D7, give me 5 characters, which is metro, and that's it. So we could use this diversely. For me, when I work on large data, okay, that has names of maybe organizations or whatever names that are really long, I use left to shorten the names, especially when I need to use them to build graphs and tables that look smaller, that would give me the exact thing that I want. So left, mid, and right are really super helpful for different need occasions on Excel. Okay, so we could try use getting like the first 5. Remember that so let's double click this. Remember that we have picked 5 characters from cell B7, which is metropolis. So we can decide to drag that down to get the first 5 characters from all the cells. and that's it. These are the first 5 characters from all the cell. Remember, we said that the space between P and H, this one here, is categorized as a character. Hence, you have only 4 letters, however, 5 characters. Okay, so same thing applies to color. If we say we want to get only black instead of black and white, we just say left, sorry, wrong spelling of left. I want it to be this, and I just want 5 characters. Close my bracket, and that's it. Black. I'll take it all the way down. I have black, 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 color, color, black, color. Okay, I hope you've been able to learn something from this. Left is a really powerful tool when you know how to use it and when to use it. Okay, please subscribe below. Hit the subscribe button below to our YouTube channel. Please follow us on all other social media platforms. On Twitter, we're on Accelerate. Instagram at Accelerate. On Facebook, we're at Excel with Accelerate. Thank you so much for your time, and keep excelling with Accelerate. Ciao.